and my name is Matthew Ottenhurst, and this is BioNews at 7. Today, we have breaking news: activation in the stroma and glucose creations in the thyroid. Today, we will show you what occurs when photosynthesis happens in our environment.
Photosynthesis is
That one
the
good?
process that makes their own sugar. So let's take a deeper look at the inside of the process.
This process is also created with 6 carbon, 6 water, which creates 6 carbon dioxide, 12 waters, and 6 oxygens. There has recently also been a new, never-before-seen creation inside the stroma.
Scientists have decided to call it the light-dependent reactions.
Now, this process provides glucose and energy to plants through light-dependent reactions. Chloroplasts are inside of these thylakoids. They absorb sunlight. Along with them is chlorophyll. These reactions begin when sunlight hits the second photosystem and turn ADP and NADP plus into ATP and NADPH. NADP plus becomes NADPH with the addition of a hydrogen molecule.
After this, the newly charged molecule travels through the electron transport chain.
When they finally arrive in the first photosystem, they are given energy and recharge. Then they head over to an ATP synthase.
When they arrive at the synthase, they are transformed into ATP.
Then they go into the Calvin cycle. These are also known as light-independent reactions.
The first step of this cycle is called carbon fixation. Carbon dioxide enters the stroma, and an enzyme called ribisco attached it to a sugar called RUB. The next step is reduction, and it breaks down the ATP and NADPH from the light-independent reactions. The compounds made from carbon fixation is converted into E3.
The last step is regeneration, and every 6 produced leaves leaves the cycle to form a glucose. The other 5 go back into the cycle to regenerate 3 molecules, RUBP.
Now that we have covered the Calvin cycle, we have interviews planned with the key molecules such as CO2, ATP, and NADPH.
Cut. Set. Action. And here she is, everyone, ATP.
Hey everyone.
So, how does it feel to be the most important source of energy in the environment?
Well, it is a super awesome part to play. It really matches my energy.
Cool. So next question. Do you ever feel lonely when you have to cut off one of your phosphates?
It is extremely sad. I feel like I just lose a lot of energy.
Well, that is all. Thanks for coming by.
Anytime.
Now to Ryan, who is interviewing CO2.
Good evening, everyone. Today I will be interviewing CO2. Here she is.
What's up, guys?
Hi. We have a few questions to ask you. First of all, what do you mainly do in photosynthesis?
Well, I mainly make food for myself, glucose, whose food stores the sun's energy as well.
Alright, next up, what are your main flaws?
My main flaw is how I contribute to climate change and how I am a major part of climate change.
Thank you for being able to share that. And that's all we have for you tonight. Thanks again. Now we go to Matthew, who is about to interview NADPH.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our final interview of the night. It is a very special guest. And now I introduce NADPH.
Hi guys, my name is NADPH.
Good evening, NADPH. We have a few questions that we would like to ask you, if that's okay.
It's perfectly okay. I would love to answer.
All right. First of all, what is your true purpose in photosynthesis?
Well, my main role is an electron donor. I power cellular processes in all that they do.
That is truly an amazing quality that you have. Next up, What exactly are you made up of? And what do you stand for?
I am made up of a nicotinamide adenine denucleotide phosphate. Sorry, tongue twister.
Cut. Action. Alrighty, hope you have a very good day. Cut. Well, we hope you enjoyed our news and hopefully learned something.
We have discussed photosynthesis in the Calvin cycle and have interviewed many important molecules.
Thank you for watching your local Bio News S7. This is Matthew West,
With Ryan Patton,
signing off now.
Do I cut?
Cut.